If you want to quickly switch between different Node.js versions, the following tool, which is Node Version Manager, comes in handy. Let's check how this tool makes the process of Node.js version management seamless. After installing it on your machine, you're able to use it in your terminal with help of NVM command. And the first command I want to show, it's NVM ls. This command shows what Node.js versions are already installed on your PC. To switch to another Node.js version, you just need to use NVM use command and add previously installed Node.js version. For example, let's switch to 20.12 version. After we did this, we see the message about successful switching. And if execute NVM ls command again, we can ensure that's truth. Now, let's try to install one more Node.js version on my machine. For example, the latest one, 22.6. To do this, we will use NVM install command. After installing, it automatically switches the Node.js and NPM versions, so it's not required to execute NVM use. Now, let's try to remove some installed Node.js version. To do this, use NVM uninstall command, but note, it's impossible to uninstall currently used version. Also, you can set default Node.js version, which will be automatically selected after restarting your machine. To set default Node.js version, use NVM alias default command. After we set default version, let's execute NVM ls, and here we see that our default version has been successfully changed.